Begin by finding a serene place where you can sit undisturbed. As you prepare to delve into a state of calm, think of it as setting up the perfect environment for a seamless deployment. Sit or lie down in a comfortable position, ensuring that your back is straight and your hands rest lightly on your lap or by your sides. Close your eyes gently. Let's begin our system reboot. Start by taking a deep breath in, inhaling calmness and clarity, like the smooth initiation of a well-planned product. And exhale, releasing any system glitches or unwanted bugs from your mind. Imagine your mind as a server room. Each server represents a thought or a responsibility in your life. Some servers are humming busily, while others are quiet and in standby mode. Visualize a cooling system, a gust of fresh, clean air entering the room, stabilizing the temperature. This cooling breath ensures that every server, every thought, operates at its peak without overheating. As you continue breathing deeply, bring to mind a continuous integration and continuous deployment pipeline. With every inhale, new features and positive affirmations are integrated. With every exhale, new code is deployed to production. Imagine a monitoring dashboard showcasing green status indicators. Your body is this system. Your heart rate, your breathing, your state of calm are all in optimal state, all systems operational and running smoothly. Think about the code commits. Sometimes errors occur, and that's okay. Acknowledge them without judgment, fix them, and move on. For now, release any attachment to those errors, letting them float away like logs being archived. Your breathing is now your main server, your central command. Focus on its rhythm, the gentle in and out, the same predictable yet vital process, akin to the regular checks and balances in DevOps. Even in the face of challenges, remember that every system has its recovery procedure. Your mind, your spirit, and your body are no different. You have the resilience, the backup plans, and the capability for recovery. Slowly begin to transition, like smoothly moving from development to production. Become aware of your surroundings. Feel the chair or the floor supporting you, the gentle rhythm of your heart. When you're ready, with the confidence of a successful code deployment, open your eyes. As you go back into the world, remember that just like in DevOps, balance, continuous improvement, and adaptation are key. May DevOps be with you.